I'm in Kuala Lumpur, and apologies for the haircut. It's incredible. The Twin Towers were the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004.
Hello everyone and welcome to level 41. I'm just might just step here first in this way, right here. Oh, so fast. Hello. Wow. All of you together. We'll start separating. All of you come forward. Hydraulic support from the bottom.
I'm walking across the bridge between the two twin towers. Wow, what a view. It's actually starting to rain.
One big step we get to move to another country. One big step we get to another country.
Down below you can see the KLCC park. Are we going to the top?
Yes, indeed.
Okay.
Going all the way to the top. 86.
Right. Great.
Have fun.
Okay.
Make sure I look good at it.
It's alright. It's got you in ID, HD.
Hello, Bobby.
Easy then. Hello everyone, welcome to level edit 3. Please transit to the other lift to get level edit 6. Is 3 more levels up. I just might just step here first.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to level 83, okay? Proceed this way.
Thank you.
To the top first.
Okay. Going up the last 3 floors.
First. 1, 2. Thank you. You can join the next one, yeah? Welcome to Petronas Twin Tower Observation Deck. We are now at level 86 at the height of 370 meters above the street level. You will be given 15 to 20 minutes to spend your time here. Level 83. Come down and enjoy your visit.
So 86 stories up now. Wow. Wow. What a view. It's just an amazing panoramic view of the whole of Kuala Lumpur. And the park down there looks even smaller. Gosh, you're high up. You can actually see the weather moving around the city. You can see the rain where it's raining, where it's sunny. I film you, is it okay?
Sure. But I'm sorry, I'm not very fluent.
No, you're fantastic. You're don't worry.
I can show you. We don't usually receive rain in here, but
Yeah.
on a very rare occasion, like I said just now,
Yeah.
you can see the thunder striking the pinnacle. On top of
Really?
that. Yes, yes, very.
And where is the pinnacle from here?
Over there.
So you've seen lightning striking that?
Well, I've been working here for 1.5 years. I haven't seen it yet, but the older staff, the senior staff, they have filmed it. But
Right.
I will try to find and I'll try to help you.
Wow.
Yeah. Usually we'll come with like a clicking sound, a loud clicking
Right.
sound.
So where is that now? Where can I see
Over
that?
there, sir. Yeah.
Just over there?
On top of that.
Oh, I see. Right, of course, yeah. Wow.
Also, act as a aircraft warning light. You can see there's like a blinking light on top during the night. Yeah,
Yes.
that one.
Yeah.
That's the function of pinnacle.
I see. Yeah.
Yes,
At the top.
so the one up here we can.
The one we can't see is we're inside it.
Yes. So I really hope you enjoy a visit here. If you
Yeah,
can.
it's
Yes,
great.
sir.
It's great. Where is the bridge then that we just
Oh, we
walked?
cannot see from here because as we get narrower, higher, it gets narrower. So we cannot see the
Yeah.
point of the bridge actually.
So it's a long way.
Halfway down.
It's a long way down
Yes,
there.
long way down.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you. So we are so high up here. From our place where we can look out, we can't actually see the bridge that goes across. So not much walking in the park. I was going to look around the park, but it's still pouring with rain. So I decided to go and get something to eat while I wait for it to stop. 6th floor of the KLCC complex has got this rasa food court. It's supposed to be good. Lots of different foods to choose from. This is one that I wanted to try, nasi kandar. I think it's nasi means mixed rice, and kandar means you basically decide yourself what the topping should be. It's supposed to be good. I'll give it a try. Kandar. I don't know, first time I've had it.
Get it prawn, bread, squid,
A bit of squid.
yeah.
What's this one over here?
Lamb curry.
Huh?
Lamb curry.
Okay, put a little bit of that, that'll do.
And then veggie.
Oh, that's enough, yeah, that's okay, thank you. So I got an incredible amount of food with this nasi kandar. I think I had added too many different things with it, but the whole thing was just under 30 with a drink, 30 ringgit. What a combination. It's really spicy, it's very tasty. Nice, it has a Tamil influence. Oh good, the rain has stopped. I can finally get a look at this park, which I saw from way up above there. Yeah, I was looking at it from up there. With all the rain and all the water that's now all over the place, it's really humid. But I suppose this is what it's like most of the year round here. Rains a lot, very humid. 1 minute it's raining, the next minute the sun's shining. It's a very big park, apparently, about 20 acres, I think, with a jogging track, A mosque, water cascade, children's pool, children's playground, Lake Symphony Fountain, which is this one here. I think they have a kind of fountain display 2 times a day. It's an amazing place to be. My beautiful, beautiful hair, it's all gone. I'm never going to that hairdresser again. Very simple designs of the buildings. Perfect symmetry, aren't they? They don't go in for confusing designs. Malaysia's natural sort of environment comes back in these parks temporarily amongst all the concrete. I suppose this would have all have been jungle not many years ago, 100 years ago. But it tells you what the different trees are, and this is a rambutan, which has this funny kind of, I always think it tastes like a grape sort of fruit. And that's one there, that's a rambutan. This is the running track. All around the sound of construction, because this is still being built. They're doing the area around the mosque over there. So Kuala Lumpur is getting bigger and taller all the time. It's a bit like Manchester becoming Greater Manchester actually, because Kuala Lumpur, the capital, has kind of merged with all the other places around it, and all the areas have fused together into one big new modern metropolis.